In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Fabric. Fabric is an AI-powered workspace and it's a sort of home for all of your information which is online. With the help of generative AI, Fabric makes it so easy and intuitive to organize all of your online information. In order to use it, first you need to go to fabric.so website and I'll drop the link in video's description. Once you are there, you need to sign up with your email for your free account and then verify the account. Once you are logged in, then you'll be presented with this screen. Then click on get started and it is going to walk you through some of the stuff as what you can do. For example, as I mentioned earlier, you can organize all of your links, tabs, notes, files in one place very easily. You can create notes, save them, paste them, drag them, and what you can even connect your apps for automatic sync. Click next and then it is just again another intro. You can find anything with your AI search and you can also use an embedded chat assistant which is of course generative AI enabled. So same thing here, click on get started and this is where I am already logged in. It is saying that you can save your first item here, but we can do it later, or if you want to click here, but let's do it later. Now this is the home screen which is shown on the first tab. It is showing you you know recent items which you have accessed. I haven't accessed any, so it has just pre-populated it with default values. You can browse through your inbox, your recent spaces. You can even add data connections here, and then you can if you can just click here, it will show you what exactly you want to see. So maybe I'll just type it here, uh, weather in Sydney, Australia, where I am right now. Nothing, because I haven't saved anything related to that. And but you can also do the semantic search, but this is at to your own data. Okay, and then of course this is a search thing which you can global search instead of local. And then this is the timeline. What did you do? How did it go? And then this one is for your spaces. You can create your own space, or you could, when you click it, there are three nodes already, and you can create a new node by clicking on this plus icon and then you can either save a link, you can upload anything, or you can just create a note. So if you click on note, I'm just saying it test note, and this is a typical text editor which you can do, and it is already saved to the cloud. In few seconds, if you click on these three dots, you can move it, share it, or delete it. So you can see that you don't have to explicitly save it. It's an auto save, so it is already saved here. And you can, if you click it, you can again edit it, first edit, and then it is going to save it very quickly. Cool. You see that it's saved. Okay. Now there are a lot of things you can do with it, and I will let you deal with it. For example, if I go back to my home page by clicking on top left on this blue icon, you can even add any data connector there. So by data connector means that whatever data source you have, like GitHub repo, your Google Drive, Figma, a lot of things, OneDrive. So if you have any OneDrive or anything, you can bring everything together in Fabric. So just like you knit together a fabric, you can bring in all of your disparate sources here. This is also available as a browser extension. You can also get an app for it so that no matter which device you are using, still you'll be able to knit it all together in one place. So very, very handy, and already a lot of people are using it. And with the embedding of the generative AI in this tool, this is really improving a lot, and user experience is so intuitive and easy that it's unbelievable. So if you're looking for some sort of online organizer and scheduler or anything like that, and you're fed up of the other big players, then I would highly suggest you give it a go because it is quite cool. And I have already started using it in few of the places, and it is quite nice, very easy to use. So that's it, guys. If you're already using it, please share your experience, and if you have any tip trick around it, because we are all new to it, please share them in the comment. That would be highly, highly appreciated. And of course, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.